I've been in Ireland now for around 6 years, and this winter and spring have definitely felt like they're the coldest. Is this a fact? I can't say for sure, though here's some data collected on a Bluetooth thermometer which takes a reading every 10 minutes. Surprisingly, even though it's felt colder, it's actually been warmer than the average, both for the long-term data 1991 to 2020 and compared to April last year. Here's the complete data set. Average here in April 23 at Clonsnochta, which translates to snowy meadow, Clon field and Snochta snow. Average 9.31 degrees C, max 18.75 degrees C, min 0.44 degrees C. The longer term average is 8.1 degrees C, with the average for April last year being between 7.8 and 8.8 degrees C, depending on which source. Is the thermometer accurate? I doubt it's up to the high standards of Met Éireann, though I strongly suspect they have more than one thermometer and take an average. I'm happy that it's accurate enough to convey the gist of it. The comparisons are taken with temperatures that were recorded way over there on the east coast at Dublin Airport. I did research into whether temperatures on the east coast or the west coast of Ireland were higher, and the only data that I could find suggested that temperatures on the west coast were higher. However, they were for the very southwest tip of Ireland, so a much lower latitude. Clonsnochta here is around 50 kilometres south of Dublin on the Shannon estuary. There are geographical variations in temperature between inland areas and coastal areas. The inland areas being colder during the winters and warmer during the summers. The prevailing winds here in Ireland are westerlies, so the east coast of Ireland should be, in theory, warmer during the summers and colder during the winters. The comparison for this video is for temperatures during April, a transition month between winter and summer. Generally, I couldn't find much of a difference between the east coast of Ireland and the west coast. The issue with climate change isn't so much the 1 or 2 degrees on average variation in temperature, it's the severe weather events that those small differences trigger. So at the moment we're having severe droughts in Spain and Italy. In California, a long-term severe drought followed now by record-breaking rain and snowfall and flooding and landslides, and all of these impact on food production. Reduced harvest of tomatoes in Morocco, for instance, earlier this year, due to unseasonally cold weather. I've put links to all my sources in the description, and I'll post regular monthly average temperatures here at Clonsnochta on my Facebook page. On my website boglizard.ie, I'll collate and make available that data for anyone who wants to view it. If you're looking to mitigate your impact on global warming, then Paulownia are considered to be amongst the best trees for capturing carbon and producing oxygen. They're also very tolerant of extreme cold and heat, being happy down below -10 degrees C and up above 35 degrees C. Conservative figures. Hope that helps. Meantime, good luck.